Let me see if everything gonna work right. What's up, y'all? It's your girl KK from KK TV. So today I'm gonna be working on a project. Well, it's not really a project. Like, my little cousin told me what she wanted on a t-shirt, and I'm going to put her one on a t-shirt, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. Plain and simple. It's basic, like, just a basic photo tee on a white tee, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do is let me cut on my printer so I can, my unc's right here. I'm gonna cut on my printer so it can warm up. I'm not gonna be here. Thank you. I'm not gonna be working with the Cricut on this project. The next one though, yeah, but not this one. Just in my mind. Okay. That's what we drinking on my soda. That's your last soda. That's the last soda in the box away. Oh no, I'm recording. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna turn my camera around and start back. On my screen view, let me find the picture that she wanted. Nicki smoking. So I just right click it and pops up. Why didn't print though? I should have printed. Why didn't print? So I print. Okay. Here with the full page photo. Tab print. It says getting ready to print. Printing page 1. My printer not responding. Okay, so now while that prints out and my heat press is only at 260. It was not hooked up right. So, two of the same freaking copies. Great. I can catch it to a certain point with that other one out. What I'll do is I'll just take the rest of the paper out, and then that second one I can cancel that. Okay, so we got that going. Now we're gonna go. Alright, so now we're back. So now the picture is printing out. And y'all, this is the kind of printer paper that I use. It's 3G Jet Opaque paper for darks, but it's good for darks and whites. So, we're gonna see how the picture's gonna look when it comes out. And this is not, I forgot, I totally fucking forgot. My like cousin was like, where's my shirt? I'm like, oh snap. So yeah, I'm gonna print this out and then I'm gonna go take it to the. So this is just a regular picture shirt, just a regular like photo shirt of Nicki Minaj, one of her favorite people. She's a Barbs. Shout out to Nicki with her cute baby. So it was just a regular JPEG picture, like I didn't do anything to it. Or nothing, so the pixels are all like, yeah, so that's how it came out. And then like what I might do is just cut this side and let me let the black dry. Okay, so there I was able to cancel the other one. So I'm gonna let the back dry and then the black dry. And then I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut straight across it. Straight across it. I'm gonna take, I keep looking right here because the TV's right here, but my laptop's right here. So, okay, I'm gonna just cut across it. Not across it, but down. Black part as much. I'm gonna get as much as the white off as I can. Cause I like this. I could have used the Cricut, but I didn't. So I'm gonna do it the old school way. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be a pretty straight line, I guess. And this one is black. See, I could have used it. I could have used the Cricut with it. And then the Cricut would have taken out the black eyebrows, but I didn't even know that they were gonna be like extra. Like I thought the picture was gonna be like a big picture. But I could do it with the cricket, so I'm gonna do the next one with the cricket. Okay, so this should be good because it's on a. Well, I'm gonna take the back off too. Let's take the back off. And then I'm just gonna cut it as straight as possible. So this would be what you would do if you don't have a Cricut cutter. Just take those scissors to it, and it'll be alright. Like, you know, like I used to do this before I got the Cricut, so I was shit, you know. I'm gonna still. There, and it's really good too. You know. Put it when I got like too close to it, just enough. Right, see? So now we're gonna take this and throw this away. Okay, so now I have my print and my shirt press is at 350, so let me get my tea. On the shirt press. And I have the That's my sheet. So I have, this is the picture, and it's just a full page picture, so no cuts, no nothing. And we're gonna place this on the T directly in the middle, the center. So now we wait 22 seconds. So as we're waiting 10 seconds, and I like to let it stay on like an extra 5 seconds. So it's 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then take it up, and we're gonna cut that off. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure the edges and everything is good, everything looked good, but I wanna make sure. Okay. It's great. It didn't I have a 12 by 10, so it didn't catch that bottom part real good. So I'm gonna maybe like 15%. And it looks great. Great. Let's see. Bam. Nicki, bam. Go, Nicki. Nicki, ooh, ooh. Bam, bam, bam. Nicki, Roman revenge, bitch. Ah! Okay, that's enough. But yeah, I like the way it turned out. I like how it looks. I think it's cute. And I think she's gonna like it. So now I'm going to package that up and take it to her. So that I'm gonna cut my sheet. So that is the way I design a regular picture tee. So photo tee, like you basically put anybody's photo on a t-shirt. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. It's your girl Kay, and you are watching KTV.